Hey guys, welcome to Sam610. So in this video, I want to do a deep dive into my channel analytics. As you guys know, I just recently at the end of December reached 1,000 subscribers. And again, guys, I appreciate that so much. I am so thankful to be able to respond to my community and give you guys some just random quotes, some random thoughts, updates on my next video, whatever I'm able just to share. I'm so thankful to be able to share that through the community, and I would not be able to do that unless I reached my 1,000 subscribers. So the big question is, when you reach 1,000 subscribers, are you monetized right away? And the answer is no. I had said this in previous videos that once you reach 1,000 subscribers, if you do not reach the certain goals that YouTube gives you, that you will not be monetized on this platform. Now I'm going to show you guys why. Everybody thought that since I reached 1,000 subscribers that I was instantly going to be monetized on YouTube and start making thousands of dollars. And guys, that is not true. That's not the case at all. You do not start making money once you reach 1,000 subscribers. And I'm going to show you guys in a minute why. But before I do that, if you guys are new to this channel, I would appreciate if you would hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell to be updated on any of my new videos. And if you are a current subscriber, I really appreciate your support. I do read every single comment on this channel, and I at least try to give you a like or a heart, and in most cases, if I'm not busy and time allows me, I will hit the reply button and I will reply to you a comment. Alright, so let's get into my analytics. I'm going to show you guys the big thing that will drive you to start making money on YouTube, and that is your watch time. If your watch time does not reach 4,000 watch hours, you will not be monetized on YouTube, whether you have over 1,000 subscribers or not. You can have 5,000 subscribers, and if you don't have 4,000 watch hours on YouTube, they will not consider you to be a part of the YouTube partnership program. You cannot become a partner of YouTube, and you will not start making money. And just because you reach 4,000 watch hour, guys, does not mean you will start making a lot of money. If you guys want to see a video on why you won't start making a lot of money, I can actually show you guys. Just drop me a comment how much money I would actually make if I was monetized on YouTube. And it's just an estimate, but if you guys are interested in seeing those numbers, just let me know and I will create a video showing you guys that if I was monetized, approximately how much money I would make on YouTube. Alright, so let's get to the point of the video. I'm going to show you guys the watch hours on my channel, just so you guys get a better understanding how far away I am to be monetized on YouTube, and you guys are going to be extremely surprised. Alright guys, as you guys can see, I have 1,070 subscribers and I have 766 public watch hours on YouTube, and you guys can see that 4,000 watch hours is required. I do not meet the requirement. Alright guys, well, I showed you my public watch hours, 766 public watch hours. I need 4,000 watch hours to be monetized on YouTube. You guys saw the numbers. I'm at 1,070 subscribers, and unfortunately I am not ready to be monetized yet on YouTube. So I just wanted to share that little personal information with you guys. I'm going to try and share some things with you guys as I grow along on this channel. I'm not shy to open up the books and show you guys the numbers, even when I start making money on YouTube. If I start making money on YouTube, I want to be able to open up the books and share with you guys, you know, just so you guys can learn from what I'm doing that maybe can transfer over to you and hopefully help you on your channel as well. The ultimate goal is, me being a small YouTuber, is being able to reach out to my community and being able to help other people that can use help. If you're a small YouTuber, if you only have a couple hundred subscribers, I want to be able to share this information to help you guys grow. So I'm debunking this. Once you start reaching, 1,000 subscribers, when you get over 1,000 subscribers, you're not monetized instantly. You're not going to start making money on YouTube. You're not going to start making millions and thousands of dollars right away unless you have a really big audience and you're really good at what you're doing. That's what I'm trying to work on. Focus on what I can do better to reach those 4,000 watch hours. As you guys can see, I have a lot of work to do. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, you found any value, please give me a thumbs up. And as always, guys, later.